If you love watching glamorous videos and would like to be notified every time we drop a new one, please bash that bell icon below.
While we are all super excited to adorn our new shararas and those favorite heavy jhumkis this wedding season, the fear of your ears throbbing in pain the next day or your dupattas coming undone at the wrong time can be quite daunting. So here are some handy solutions we swear by for even the smallest problems you could face. Shararas are everyone's new favorite when it comes to Indian wear. But is your kurta slit not high enough for that cool dupatta drape? Here's the solution. Instead of trying to tuck the dupatta in your sharara, just pin them to the front of your kurta. Earlobe supports will bid goodbye to any discomfort from heavy earrings. These help balance the weight of your earrings, which could otherwise cause pain in your earlobes. Have a beautiful dupatta to go with your outfit but it's too short? Pull one end of your dupatta vertically and drape it over your shoulders and voila! You'll have a longer dupatta instantly. Always getting photographed when your mang tika is at the other end of your face? Use glue drops to keep it in place. Now you're ready for all the candidates. A safety pin can fix any loose or tight blouse. Pin it where you would want your clasp to be and hook it. This is a seamless way to resize your blouse in a jiffy. If your bangles are too tight at your palm but perfect at your wrist, put your hand in a plastic bag and slip them on easily. Like your bangle set just the way it is, prevent them from jumbling up by tying them with a scarf. This will ensure they're ready for you to put on the next time you need them. If bindis irritate your skin, use lash glue to keep them in place. Instead of pressing it too hard, lightly place it on your forehead. This will keep any rashes at bay. So don't let those heavy earrings or a slightly loose blouse stop you from having the best time. These easy tricks will make sure you're dancing away on all those Sangeet nights uninterrupted. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.